So the first, for me, the idea of meditation is kind of like more like empty my mind and no thought, emotion, and looking for particular state of mind, special state of mind, like that. So then later I asked my father, and my father gave me more and more meditation teaching. So the meditation is not about blocking thought, not about controlling, not about creating something special state of mind. It's all about the awareness. To recognize awareness, be with it, everything allowed. So then awareness is really free, present, open. Awareness is the calm and peaceful. So it took me a while. It's not so easy. So today I would like to do something experiential, teaching on that. So now I will teach you a very special meditation. So what we call pizza meditation. So for the pizza meditation, what we have to do is, there's one rule that you are not allowed to think about pizza. No pizza. You can think about anything else, like your work, your past history, future plan, anything's okay, but no pizza. Okay? Let's practice together. Please keep your meditation posture and close your eyes. Relax muscles in your body. If you cannot relax, also okay. Allow that you cannot relax. Okay, now, no pizza. You cannot think of pizza even 1 second. If you think of pizza 1 second, you lost this meditation. Okay, finish. How was it? Easy or not easy? If you feel not easy, raise your hand. I think not easy. So, why is it not easy? Because when you say no pizza, then what you think is about the pizza. All the pizzas pop up in your mind. Big pizza, small pizza, medium pizza. So even you say no pizza, you're thinking about the pizza, no pizza, no pizza, and pizza become more clear. So therefore, normally for the meditation, we don't need to block any thought and emotion, not necessary. Like when you listen to sound, as long as if you can hear the sound, pizza comes, no problem. Let pizza come, let pizza go. Or to-do list. Many people have a lot of lists, right? Or worry about my deadline, my exam, whatever. Don't try to block those. If you try to block them, you cannot. They become more louder and more noisy. So what do you have to do? Just back to the sound and stay with the sound. And if you not forget the sound, whatever, they can come and go.